Kia ora koutou. Hi, my name is Reagan.
And Mōrātoro, WINTON SCHOOL, I'm Luke. Welcome to N.E.W.S Rapa, the 7th of May.
Yes, Ra'apa is Junior Kapa Haka Day. This week, please bring your kai to the hall at 12:30.
You'll eat together, then the bell will ring. Kani starts at 12:45.
Now for some Tec'y tea news. There's a lunchtime meeting in room 9 at 12:30. Bring your kai.
We have some good news from the library now. As of next week, the library will be open for lunchtimes every week, and
there is a meeting in the library at interval today for all current librarians and any students who applied to be librarians in term 1 but missed out. Library at interval today, please.
Okay, keep wearing your HI VIZ vest. Most students are doing the right thing in wearing their HI VIZ vest to and from school. Please do likewise.
Get your photo taken wearing your vest this term and go in the draw for principal prizes.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
No birthdays at WINTON School today, so straight onto sports news.
WINTON wipeouts. You have a hockey practice today at 12:45 on the basketball court.
And Midlands B rugby team, you have a game at Limehills this afternoon.
Be there at 4 o'clock or meet at Midlands at 3:50 if you need a lift.
Okay, we have some news for any year 6, 7 and 8 pupils who are interested in entering the social studies fair. Please meet Miss Brown in room 4 at 1:10 tomorrow.
Yes, if you have any interest in any social studies topic and enjoy researching, planning and presenting information, this could be for you. Come to the meeting tomorrow to find out more.
Last news for today is for all Kids for Kids choir members. Please see Mr. Chapman in room 11 at interval for your choir night flyers.
Okay, that's a wrap for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S team. Ka kite a popo.
Haere rā, WINTON School.